Dear students, welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss domestic electric circuits, series or parallel. Okay, now in festival season like Diwali, we use number of bulbs connected in series and we operate all the bulbs by a single switch. However, we face some problem when one bulb gets fused. Then at that point, circuit breaks and all the bulbs turn off and all the bulbs will turn off. So, in domestic wiring, we use parallel connection because we can operate electric appliances separately. Okay, we have switches for every electric appliances, so we can operate every electric appliances separately. Okay, now disadvantages of series circuits for domestic wiring. If we use series connection for domestic wiring, we face number of problems. Okay, number one, if one electric appliance stop working, then all other electric appliances also stop working. Okay, because at that point circuit breaks and all the other electric appliances also stop working. Number two, in series circuits we use single switch, so we cannot turn on or turn off electric appliances separately. Okay, now number third, voltage is shared in series connection. Voltage is shared in all the electric appliances, so voltage decreases and the electric appliances do not work properly. Okay, electric appliances do not work properly because of low voltage. Okay, now number fourth, in series connection we know that value of resistance increases. If value of resistance increases means the value of current decreases. Okay, the value of current decreases. Now we use electric appliances having different power ratings, so they cannot work properly. Okay, so four types of major problems we faced when we use series circuit for domestic wiring. Okay, now advantages of parallel circuits in domestic wiring. Okay, in domestic wiring we use parallel circuits, we use parallel connections. Now what are the advantages of parallel connections? Number one, if any electric appliance is fused, if any electric appliances gets fused, then all the electric appliances work properly, then other electric appliances work properly. Okay, now number two, we have separate switches. In parallel circuits, we have separate switches for different electric appliances. Okay, so we can turn on or turn off any electric appliances separately. Okay, now number third, in parallel connection the value of voltage remains constant. The value of voltage remains constant, so every electric appliance work properly. Okay, so every electric appliance work properly. Now number four, in parallel connection the value of resistance decreases. We know that in parallel connection the value of resistance decreases. When the value of resistance decreases means the value of current increases. So we can use electric appliances easily. All the electric appliances work properly. Okay, there is no problem we face in parallel circuits in domestic wiring. Okay, so the conclusion is we use parallel circuits in the domestic wirings because of its advantages. Okay, so the topic is done. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.